maligo. Kung mabasa sa akin, mga dapat na ito, layo mga
Ay, kabalo ko ang balik na nila. May pang-garden sa ako.
buwas. Buwas. Karang collection. Wala nila na.
Oo. Pwede ako na.
Bayo. Now, dili mga sakit yung likod, hindi ka
Daghang salamat live and you do the roll call. There are positive and negative reactions of no drinking after 12. It will affect our economy. But for me as chairman, I need to discuss on this to avoid the negative approach from the media. So ato.
Ordinance prohibiting the selling and drinking of liquor and other alcoholic beverages in all pubs, bars, restaurants, and other providing penalty for violation thereof. I have invited for the purpose, Mr. Chair, Attorney Roy Hilario Agas, our City Administrator, Attorney Jose Edgardo Mejos.
And this would include bars and similar establishments, resto bars, video game, and businesses that sell liquor, intoxicating beverages. And we have been, as everybody may have known already, we have been monitoring, inspecting these establishments, not only because of complaints lodged by neighbors, but also as to the concern on peace and order. Despite the, the sentiment that we are recovering, the economy has, been stricken with disaster because of the pandemic, and extra business permits as of today. And looking at the number of business permits issued to bars and similar establishments, it's only 367, Mr. Chairman. What percentage is that? Siguro, I don't know. Wala na nag-10, siguro 1%, 2% probably.
CPC, that resulted to shutting down one of our outlets where numbers of employees lost their jobs. Okay, so I am here, by the way, as we all know, my boss, in fairness to him, he has been obedient with whatever ordinance is being implemented. All right, so I guess the limiting of actually if we focus more.
There is an overdue assessment on the zonal valuation that as chairman on Ways and Means, na-postpone ko na kay pag zonal valuation, may increase na po din yung taxes na we're following the order of the mayor na no increase of taxes. So, there are do's and don'ts. Very short, we are in your favor. At tagay lang tang chance to see and witness for ourselves then. We will not do this
Kana in itself can already, they can even self-regulate themselves. Because if they can afford sound system, unsa naman na siyang 1,000. Mas mahal pa kayo siguro ng alcohol dispenser na semi-automatic. So sila mismo makakuan sila, makaregulate sa silang kagalingon. Kung dili ta mo lapas og 100 decibels, then so be it. But we have to set something up. So maybe Attorney Kikay, we should have our own sound meter also para makatabang tag-regulate. And then set something with the establishment siguro. Because there are some responsible, or there are a lot of responsible businessmen Pero kasi ubansag, wala ko'y pakialam, basta lang ay financial.
Honorable Councilor George Guking, maayong buntag,
Morning, ma'am.
and also my warm greetings to all the honorable members of the City Council present this morning, and our guests, of course, my team from DTI and our different chair in different organizations of the request, no? To the City Council for the proposed passing of an ordinance entitled, an ordinance prescribing for the allocation of at least 10% of the total procurement value of the city government of Cagayan de Oro, national government agencies, the regional line agencies, and other government agencies holding offices in Cagayan de Oro for locally produced goods and services and their mandatory promotion thereof. So actually, Mr. Chair, this is a national program of DTI in support for our micro, small, and medium and enterprises in every locality. So what we did is we actually presented this proposed ordinance to our Regional Development Council, and we are happy that this has been supported by the RDC. And in fact, the RDC already issued a resolution enjoining all national government agencies, government-owned and controlled corporations, state universities and colleges, and other government instrumentalities in the region to support the Milo advocacy program of the DTI and enjoining LGUs to pass a local ordinance supporting the program. So as a background, our MSME sector in the Philippines, the role of our business sector, particularly our MSMEs, play a critical role in nation building by generating jobs and employment and income to the Filipino people. So as it is stated in our constitution, the state provides or recognizes the indispensable role of the private sector and encourages private enterprises and provides incentives to needed investments. So also in our constitution, this was just cited, Mr. Chair, as our legal basis now in the proposal of this ordinance. Now, also as stated in Article 12, Section 12 also of the 1987 Constitution, the state recognizes the role of the state to promote the preferential use of Filipino labor, domestic materials, and locally produced goods, and adopt measures that help make MSMEs competitive. So another legal basis stated for the passing of this proposed ordinance, Mr. Chair, is the provision under the Magna Carta for micro, small, and medium enterprises. So we have provided the draft ordinance, basically encouraging the stakeholders to allocate at least just 10% of their procurement for our locally made products. So that's why we are happy that we're given this opportunity, Mr. Chair, and we are happy that with us this morning are our micro enterprises being the concern on this proposed ordinance. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Ma'am Albert.